Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the installation package could not be opened error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for Windows installer service. You just need to double click on it. And if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you need to right click on this service and select restart. Now you need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.